Pickup.
Hello guys, it is bagong tuig, or should I say a new year. In this video, I'm gonna show you one dribble with 3 moves to attack the basket on the low post. So, pakita na ko sa inyo karon unsaon pag atake step by step sa 3 moves. So, magsugod na ta para dili malangan ang atong panahon. Let's start. So, today I am now here at my hometown, Bye-Bye. Mingaw gid ang basketballan kay nangatulog pang mga tao, nag-sleeping pa sila, so ako ang basketballan karon. So 5 PM na sa hapon, gloomy ang panahon, so sugod na ta. So in today's move, we're gonna do it in the middle post of the court, and after that, let's call this a half step jump shot. The first thing you do is this. Okay. So when you get the ball, you jump stop, turn, half step, jump shot. So let's say another one. So jump stop, half step, and jump shot. So makuha na to ninyo guys, and balik-balikan lang yung tanaw. So ato na ikuha na, paspaso na nato. So you do this drill 5 repetitions in each corner of the mid post. Always make a made shot. So let's start with that was the first move. So let's go to the second move. That would be the counter of that move, the first move. So let's do this. So just like the first move, you do 5 mades, and do it in each left and right corner of the paint, or the post up move that you're going to do, that I'm going to do. So let's start. the third move would be after you turn, you do a fake shot, and agi ka kung asa ka makapakatig agi. So start na ta. Gamitan yung pivot foot, ayaw kalimot. Footwork is the key. So start. So guys, that was the 3 moves. 1 dribble, 3 moves. And kapoy gid siya kung imo siyang diligently practice it. And most of all, maka-benefits pa ka mo nindot pa imong mga dula or masaligan na ka sa post move. So dili na ako manon akong vlog. So thank you for watching and Happy New Year. Kadus, see you in the next video. Bye.